channel. Today I am going to do Mongdal masala, a very special chat for evening today. Let's start the video. Let's start the procedure. First we need to put some moong dal and some carrot. Some carrots, some onion, and even some tomato. All are chopped carrot, tomato, and onion. Now we can put some sweet chutney. One tablespoon of sweet chutney, and then some salt and chili powder as required for your taste. And now let's mix all of them. It's a very amazing chat, guys. You can give for your children. It's very amazing. They will also like it. It is also very tasty and yummy. And after mixing it well, the chaat is ready to serve. We can also put some coriander leaves on the top for garnishing. And this is also very healthy chaat, guys, as we put carrot, coriander leaves, onion, tomato, and things and all. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys liked this chaat. Please like, share, and even subscribe my channel.